Maniere collection by James Whitner is crispy. These are the Violet or Jordan 4s. These retros came out and people slept on them. That's why you see the Maniere normally where you would see the Jumpman. The Fossil Bone Air Jordan Retro 4s that came out September 20th has the same weighted material. It's heavy, it has premium styles, hexagonals in the actual sock liner. I already did the review on these, but man, do Maniere put some great texture, pattern, styles, designs in the shoe. The Fossil Bone definitely is going to come with another lace and an Maniere hang tag. That Fossil Bone is going to give you the cement print in different wave patterns with the Maniere collection on the box. However, I do want to talk about a scandal that's been happening with Maniere and James Whitner. So let's check out that video. Like I said, the Fossil Bones dropped this year and the Violet Orange dropped a couple years before that. So if you don't have none of the Maniere collection Jordans, go get the Fossil Bones. But let's check out this video with James Whitner and make sure you hit that subscribe and like button.
Investigators claim the own Charlotte business is at the center of an international money laundering investigation. Federal investigators claim the owner sent millions of dollars of merchandise through Chinese money couriers. I read through the 20-page court document today. The social status at Plaza Midwood clothing store was named in it, as investigators say someone attached to the business sold shoes and apparel to a reseller in China, then used a money laundering operation involving Chinese money couriers for payment. Social Status and several other retail brands allegedly owned by this businessman sell exclusive limited edition high-end sneakers and apparel. The filing alleges the owner had contracts with several sneaker companies, including one based in Oregon, but that the contracts prohibited him from reselling the shoes outside the U.S. or to another retailer. But prosecutors say he did just that, through a money transfer commonly referred to as a mirror exchange, using Chinese money. Charlotte business is at the center of use. According to the filing, those money couriers told investigators they were directed to collect and assemble large amounts of U.S. currency from Chinese women believed to be involved in prostitution. Prosecutors say that money was then transferred for the retail goods, sometimes through Charlotte, and then ultimately introduced into the banking system through deposits. You can see here some of the pictures that were included in the court documents of some of the money that was seized in this operation. In all, prosecutors say the operation involved at least 255 transactions of at least $10,000 in cash each, totaling more than $32 million. We confirmed that the Charlotte businessman named in this civil forfeiture case has not been criminally charged at this time. That is why we are not naming him. Prosecutors say money laundering operations involving China have become more popular since 2016, when China passed a law restricting how much money can be transferred out of China. For your
Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown, bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe. Al Wu with the shoe.